I have learned that in this country that younger generation is no longer cooking or how to know how to cook liver. So I thought, oh, liver actually is very good for you, especially if you have blood deficiency, anemic, and people have low iron. So liver, you need to choose organic, young liver. So this is organic, young chicken liver. So this is really loaded up with iron. So I thought, yeah, I will cook a liver dish. So this is about 2 pounds of organic, young chicken liver. I put a couple pieces of ginger first. So step 1, you put a little bit grapeseed oil, 2 tablespoons grapeseed oil. Put ginger first and put the liver in. And then when the liver is about 60 or 70% cooked, put Dr. Lu's sweetener. This is organic coconut sugar, 2/3 plus 1/3 of immune boosting herbs. And we will make it a separate video for how to help you to how to make this. Okay, so let's start. So first, put about 1 to 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. And let it warm up. When I introduce ingredients, I forgot this guy, this organic tamari sauce. And cooked liver will need about 2 tablespoons of this. Put ginger in it. Put the liver in. Just stir it and let it cook about 60%. Every Tuesday, I cook for all of my a group. So I make 2 protein dish. So today, one is chicken wings. I put diced tofu in it. This tofu is organic tofu. It's a smoked tofu, and some green beans. So because the preparation time for this is over, you have to cook the chicken wings first. So we didn't really make the whole process. So let me just go through how I make this step by step with you. Step 1, I cut the chicken wings, and I leave the skin on because I really do think the bones and skins are super good for you. And you cut it like this, and then you put a piece of ginger. It's the same process. That's why I make them together. I just make things easier. The same process. First, you put a couple pieces of ginger, 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil, and then you put chicken wings in. You let it cook for about 10 minutes and golden, just a little bit golden brown. And then I put 1 tablespoon of Dr. Lu's sweetener with 2 tablespoons of tamari sauce, and then 2 cups of water. And then you just bring it to a boil, and then turn it to medium-low and let it cook for about 30 to 35 minutes. And then whatever the vegetables you want to put in, you can put it in. Today I put in green beans, and I put in some tofu in it. So, and then let it cook for another 30 minutes, and this dish will be done. So you see now the liver is, I cooked the liver about 5 to 6 minutes. Now it's about 60% cooked. When it's about 60% cooked, you first put about 1 tablespoon of Dr. Lou's sweetener. Stir fry it. And then you put 2 tablespoons of this organic Tamari sauce, gluten-free. Put these herbs in it. Boil the water. Put 1 cup of water in it. Bring it to a boil. And then cover it. Turn to medium-low and give 30 minutes. If your time is right, everything will be done in 30 minutes together.